Reddit might look like a messy maze of memes and debates, but when used the right way, it becomes one of the most powerful, consistent, and underrated tools to grow your brand as a cam model or OnlyFans creator without breaking the rules or begging for followers. And today I'm walking you through the updated 2025 method that helps both beginners and pros use Reddit to build authority, get traffic, and drive real paying fans without sounding spammy, getting banned, or wasting hours shouting into empty threads. When I first started using Reddit, I thought it was just for funny pictures and arguments about pizza toppings. But I quickly learned that there are entire ecosystems built around creators, stories, personalities, and niches that are actively looking for the kind of connection and content many of us are already producing. If you know how to market in a way that respects Reddit's culture, structure, and strange sense of humor. So let's start with the foundation, and then build all the way up to advanced growth. Reddit works like a neighborhood made of tiny clubs called subreddits. Each one has its own rules, vibe, and audience. Tip number 1 is to stop thinking like a promoter and start thinking like a neighbor. Before you ever post a link or even mention your page, you need to spend time contributing, voting, and joining conversations. This builds trust, karma, and context. Your karma score is like your streak credit. It helps you avoid auto-deletes and makes your posts more visible. So spend your first week or two genuinely participating, comment on discussions, ask thoughtful questions, and respond to others in a real voice. The goal is to blend in while building up. Tip number 2 is to choose your subreddits carefully. Not every subreddit allows self-promotion, and not every one will fit your style or brand. Use search terms like OnlyFans Showcase, NSFW creators, cosplay content, lingerie drops, or even feed posts if that's your niche. Read the rules of every subreddit before posting. Some allow direct links, some don't. Some require flair or tags. Others need you to build up post history first. The advanced creators use a content tracker spreadsheet with subreddit names, rules, ideal post times, and content formats that work best. This saves time and keeps you consistent. Tip number 3 is to match your content to the subreddit's culture. If it's a visual-focused space, your image quality and caption matter. If it's more story-driven, then your writing needs to paint a picture. Don't just say DM for more or find me here. Try writing captions like, "This was a behind-the-scenes snap from my last shoot where I almost tripped over my ring light but still got the shot," or "I recreated my favorite movie scene but added my own twist." Can you guess which one? These kinds of posts get upvotes, comments, and curiosity. When people comment, respond back quickly and like a human, not a robot. This builds up what I call engagement layering, which makes the Reddit algorithm boost your post longer and gets you more organic views. Tip number 4 is to use the comment section strategically. Even if the subreddit doesn't allow direct posts with links, most allow you to reference your page in your comment replies. So when someone comments something like, "Where can I see more?" or "Do you have a page?" that's your moment. Reply kindly and briefly with something like, "I do. Check my profile for it. Would love to know what you think." Speaking of profiles, tip number 5 is to optimize your Reddit profile like it's a mini landing page. Write a one-sentence bio that describes your vibe or niche. Pin a welcome post with soft promotion. Use a clean banner, and make sure your recent post history shows value. The secret is to make your Reddit profile feel like a sneak peek into your brand, not a sales pitch. Tip number 6 is the soft funnel trick. This is where you use Reddit to move fans toward a free offer, your link in bio, or private messaging flow. Instead of saying "subscribe now," say, "I share exclusive photos in my private fans list. Message me if you want in." You can also build a Reddit-specific funnel that gives access to your secret club or early drops. This lets you collect emails or move people into Telegram or Discord before asking for a subscription. Advanced users run weekly themes like Throwback Thursdays or Vote for My Next Look to keep fans returning to their Reddit page even if they've already followed them elsewhere. Tip number 7 is using Reddit's post scheduler tools and analytics. Yes, this is real. You can use tools like Later for Reddit or Social Planners to automate posting times during peak hours, like weekday evenings or weekend mornings. You can also track what types of posts get the most traction. If you notice that natural light selfies with longer captions get more upvotes, make more of those. Patterns lead to profits. Tip number 8 is crossover content. Some of the most successful Reddit creators repurpose their best performing content across other platforms like Twitter, Instagram Threads, or Telegram, but tweak the language slightly to fit each place. Reddit is the perfect testing ground. If a post flops on Reddit, it probably won't crush elsewhere, but if it goes viral on Reddit, it might perform great in a paid ad, promo collab, or content bundle. Tip number 9 is leveraging Reddit AMAs, which stands for Ask Me Anything. These are hosted sessions where you answer questions in real time. You can promote a special drop or just build connection. When done right, an AMA builds authority, shows personality, and keeps your post at the top of the subreddit for hours. Pro tip: use an eye-catching title like "I just hit 500 paid fans in 6 months AMA," or ask a cosplay creator how she built her fan club from scratch. The value drives traffic, not just the visuals. Tip number 10 is to build your own subreddit. This is where the pros play. It gives you total control over your content, rules, branding, and posting frequency. You can invite loyal fans from other subs, reward activity with content drops, and use it as your evergreen community hub. It becomes your own mini platform inside Reddit. And here's a funny tip buried in all the strategy. Never name your subreddit something your grandma might read out loud by mistake at Thanksgiving. I made that mistake once, and let's just say Grace was awkward that year. Now, before we finish, here's one of the most advanced things almost no one is doing. Tracking Reddit conversion paths using soft redirects. You can set up short links or tracking tools that redirect from Reddit to a funnel page or tip menu and let you see how many visitors are coming from which subreddit. That data helps you scale what works and drop what doesn't. Reddit may not be flashy, but it's stable, search-friendly, community-driven, and powerful when used correctly. It rewards patience, creativity, and real connection over hype, fluff, or spam. And when you master the 2025 method with these layered, respectful, human-centered strategies, you won't just get views, you'll get loyal, curious, paying fans who stick around and bring their friends. So take it slow, be kind, and keep testing new ways to blend into Reddit culture while standing out as a creator worth following. And if all of this feels a bit overwhelming, don't worry. I can help you build your own custom Reddit funnel from scratch or review your current one inside our school community. You can book a call, join the group, or work with me directly if you want your strategy to actually work, not just exist. Tap that like it's your first tip jar. Subscribe if your brain got at least one big aha. Share this with a creator who still thinks Reddit is just for conspiracy theories. And binge watch my other videos like they're your new Netflix. And if you've ever posted a Reddit caption with a typo that changed the whole meaning of your drop, just know, you're not alone, and you're still doing amazing. I'll see you in the next one.